Someone give me this circuit and this transformer. Now I am going to check this circuit and the transformer. This is a very old one, made in Japan. This first I'm going to take out the transformer. I'm taking out this transformer. Maybe it was in a amplifier or I don't know where. Maybe in amplifier. This is the transformer. I'm going to reuse this transformer and this circuit. Now I have to clean this. Some dust have. It's looking nice. I have to check just dual voltage. Dual voltage. Now this circuit. I'm going to open this circuit and check. I will check the circuit and this black one maybe for Twitter. This circuit for Twitter. This is one kind of technology. This circuit need AC voltage 200 plus plus. Then it's work. Need to open this iron sheet. This circuit, I think it's okay. I'll check. Wait for a while. This is a stick IC. I like a sticker sound. Wow. This is a sticker 401 100. 401 100. 401 100 B sticker. It's this IC can make 100 watt plus 100 watt. This to remote 100 watt 100 watt. This circuit is not like stereo. It's maybe mono. It has a one speaker output and another horn output, but tutor output. It's mono circuit. IC stereo, but output is one for bass and another one for Twitter. Now need to connect the AC. I am connecting the AC wire. Here will be the AC primary AC 220. Thirty 30 voltage AC 30 voltage 30. DC. Okay, take the DC voltage. This is 38, almost 40, almost 40 voltage. Now this is the speaker output. Now I am going to check the speaker output. This is the speaker to connect the ground or the ground. Ground is this one is ground middle. First one is the ground. It's come from the ground. Input is not here. Input yeah, this is the input. The speaker making sound but like Twitter, and this is the base output. This is the base output. One is base, one is Twitter. Look, the circuit is okay. I can use this amplifier. If anyone need this amplifier, you can contact with me. I have lot of old old amplifier circuit board, STK. This is my hobby to collect old circuit. Thank you for watching this video.